76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 330. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 18. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 3. Locations of taxes include Westchester, Morristown, Pottstown, Thorntonville, Westdale, West Norton, East Norton, Coatesville, Westtown, Downtown, Sodom, Antler, Kennett Square, Birdsboro, Collinsville, Wellsford, Parkersburg, Trapp, Hatfield, and East Greenville. Consider avoiding or delaying travel until the snow squall passes your location. If you must travel, use extra caution and allow extra time. Rapid changes in visibility and slick road conditions may lead to accidents. Serious injuries and death may result from people exiting their vehicles during the snow squall. Drivers may not be able to see where to stop. Get stopped on a roadway or involved in an accident, quickly exit your vehicle as far away from the roadway as possible only when it is safe to do so. Do not stand along or near the roadway when approaching vehicles.
If you're looking to grow your family, Baby Girl Cody is the place more people turn, and where more